of all, let me make it abundantly clear that Governor Nyesom Wike is a member of the Board of Trustees of this party. And he was invited to this meeting. You know, I mean, one would have expected that he would have been here to make those allegations or accusations against our national chairman. But be that as it may, as if the national chairman had an inkling of what was going to happen. He briefed us about an hour before, before the trending, in the national, in the internet, on the internet, about 1 billion naira and 100 million, and the BoT is satisfied with his explanations. But I wouldn't know if the national chairman would want to say something.